have another example here. An entrepreneur borrowed some money at 4% and $1,400 more than that at 7%. His total interest from the two accounts for 2 years is $768, okay, for 2 years. How much did the entrepreneur borrow at 7%? Well, I know how much he borrowed at 4%. This much. I always know the answer to word problems, okay? Then he has $1,400 more than that at 7%. A little table, we have principal times rate times time. Principal 1,000, principal 1,400 more at 4%, 7% for 2 years. Multiply these three numbers and multiply these three numbers. You're here. That's the total interest in 2 years. And the sum of the two interests is this number plus that number. Distribute, combine like terms. Subtract 196 from both sides. That step is not shown, but I think you can guess what that should be. And then divide by 0.22, which gives you $2,600. So how much did he invest at 7%? $1,400 more than that, which means $4,000. Example 4. A banker invests 30% of a client's money at 5% and the rest at 6% annual interest rate, simple interest rate. Both investments are for 3 months. The interest earned is $712.50. How much money did the client make available to the banker? Okay. So 30% of the client's money and the rest at another rate. So again, I know the total. The total of the client's money is X dollars. 30% of that goes at one rate and the rest is 70% goes at the other rate. So 70% is invested at 6% and 30% was invested at whatever the other interest rate was. The time is 3 months and we are working with years. The percent is in years. So 3 months is 1/4 of a year or 0.25 of a year. We have the principal, 30% of X, 0.7X, 5%, 6%, 1/4 of a year. We multiply these three numbers, we get this and we get that. If I add these two interests, interest 1, interest 2, the total is $712.05. Multiply this out, you get 0.00375 X plus 0.0105X, which you can multiply through by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000. 10,000 here and 10,000 here. And don't forget 10,000 over here. So if you want to, you can do that, or you can stay with decimals. That's fine. You can use a calculator. Stay with decimals. Anyway, if you don't, this becomes 1,425 times X, which is 71,250,000. And if you divide by 1,425, you get X, which is 50,000. So the client trusted the banker with $50,000.